Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you get your first ornithopter. An ornithopter is a truly remarkable flying machine that mimics the natural flight of birds and insects, using flapping wings for propulsion and lift. They are incredibly captivating to watch and operate, offering a unique blend of engineering and biomimicry. Whether you are a seasoned hobbyist or new to the world of aviation, getting started with an ornithopter can be a wonderfully rewarding experience. Let's dive into how you can acquire and enjoy one of these amazing devices. When selecting your first ornithopter, several factors are important to consider. You might choose between a remote-controlled model, offering dynamic flight control, or a simpler free-flight version for graceful glides. Think about the size that suits your flying environment, perhaps a smaller indoor model or a larger outdoor one. Power sources vary, from rubber band power to electric motors. Also, consider the materials. Durable foam or lightweight carbon fiber can impact longevity and performance. Matching your choice to your skill level ensures a more enjoyable experience. Once you have an idea of the type you want, it is time to acquire your ornithopter. Many hobby shops and online retailers offer ready-to-fly models, perfect for beginners who want to get airborne quickly. If you enjoy building, consider a kit. These provide all the parts and step-by-step instructions, offering a deeper understanding of the mechanics. For the truly adventurous, designing and building one from scratch can be an incredibly rewarding project, allowing for complete customization. Start simple, and you will be flapping in no time. Now for the exciting part, your first flight. Always choose a spacious, open area, like a large park or field, away from trees, power lines, and people. Avoid windy conditions, as even a light breeze can significantly impact a small ornithopter. Before launching, perform a quick pre-flight check to ensure everything is secure and working correctly. Begin with gentle, controlled launches, making small adjustments to the controls. Patience is key. Learning to master the unique flight characteristics of an ornithopter is part of the fun. Enjoy the skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.